Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to enable, or disable, AutoSuggest in Explorer address bar and run dialog in Windows 10. Right-click, Run, AutoSuggest appeared. Open Explorer. AutoSuggest appeared. Type Control Panel in search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Internet Options. Click Content tab. Click Settings. Uncheck the address bar. Click OK. Click OK. AutoSuggest disappeared on both Run and Explorer address bar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.